Recessed for DIN mount applications. Accommodates 2 CD jewel cases in pocket. Antenna adapter 40 Ni 10. 2000 to 2003 Nissan Maxima single DIN installation kit. Install dash kit for single DIN, ISO radios. Compatible with 2000 to 2003 Nissan Maxima. Includes a storage pocket below the radio. Designed and manufactured with precision tolerances, resulting in a gapless fit between the dash and the kit. Top reviews from the United States. Very easy to install. It was a perfect fit in my 2002 Nissan Maxima C, and it was cheaper than any store in my area.